Okay, hello. This will be part six. Yeah, part six. In this video. I'm just gonna build a little terrain bigger than this one, so I can move around freely. And I'm gonna make some things that I can, like boxes, that when I click, I can interact with them. Uh, the camera's still not perfect. I'll fix it later. But let me just see how I feel moving. Then I'll fix the camera based on that. If I feel like I'm moving good, I'll keep it. So, like, let me run it now and show you how the camera looks. Um, you know what? So you can see I am moving. If you see up there, the top box, I am moving. But I should really click on myself so you can see me better. I have to turn the camera, then move in that direction. I can move back. On the left, I can turn. On the right, I can turn. It's just the angle that's not good. It's not very smooth. As you can see, like it lags behind a couple seconds. I'm gonna add some code so it adds smoothly. As you can see, like it's a little bit laggy. We can fix that though. It's not that hard. But I'll fix that not now. I'll probably fix it in the next video. But right now, I just want to make a terrain so that my character can interact with stuff. And I want to make this one black because white kind of hurts my eyes. Let's make material and just. Nope. I never really knew how to just change it without just adding a material. Like in my one, I have to go like this and create a folder called that. I have to literally, if there's a better way to do this, can someone tell me? Because I really want to know this. Like if I want to make something, let's say black. I don't know if there's a better way. Hopefully someone can tell me. I'm really hoping there is a better way. Every single time I have to do something like this, and that's so annoying. I have to make every color just so I can get it nice and neat. Not neat, but you know, like the color I want. Squares. I want some squares. Wait, I should really see where it is. No, that says sphere, not square. Shit. Free object, cube. On the cube. On the cube to drop in the thing. Wait, would it drop? I don't know. Wait, do I need to have a rigid body? Okay, it's not dropping. Okay, let me add a collider on it. Not a collider, a rigid body. So it could have some weight to it. And oops, shit, what did I add? Undo graphic ray class. I want a rigid body. I'm just gonna duplicate this. And move it to the left a bit. Okay. This is gonna be just a quick short video. I might add it onto something, like stack up the two videos together. So, oh, uh, my camera died. um, okay, wait. Let me fix the camera in this video. In fact, Um, Going to fix the camera now just so I can make it show that I don't have to come back to this and I can be happy because it is kind of annoying. Mm, hmm. I'll let it load up and open it. Okay. So I'm going to change the player movement script so I can get it into a better way as well. Not change it a lot, but I'm going to keep it. I'm going to keep some things and change it a little bit. I've done some research and I've seen what I can do better in certain aspects. As I say, nothing is perfect. You can always improve. So, what I could do is Unity comes with not free. What do they call it? An asset, which is like a player controller. But I don't use it because it doesn't give. I'm not. I understand how it works, but I like making my own code so I can understand how exactly it works. If you understand what I mean? Like I can feel what I'm doing, and it helps with learning. The more code you create, the more you learn. I should say, because if you rely on the code that they give you, you won't understand a lot of things. You might get confused. That's why it's best just to try make your own code for everything. And if you find code that's better, just instead of just copying and paste it, just write it down as like type it in line by line, so you can understand what you're writing. It's good. Okay, let me just bring this out the way. Okay. Mm-hmm. Let me go back into him and click play as well. Actually, this I do not want to default thing. Okay. Okay. I want to add a bool. The bool will be. There's another bool. This would be a static one, public. Static. Static means other classes can use them. Basically, they can call from it. Player exist. I remember I had a big problem with this. Basically, what I'm doing is when you make a game and you make it in different scenes, it will load up into different scripts. Not, yeah, basically it will load up into it. Like your player will load into a different scene, and sometimes because of that you can get duplicates. So like two things will load up on the same thing. So it will make it hard to understand. Right now you won't see it. And when I get into it, I'll probably disable this and show you how it actually looks. So if mm, no wait, what did I do? If player exists is not true. clear. Is this equals true? Don't on node. This was do not destroy this object on node. Transform dot game object. That's what object on? Yes, I did. This really doesn't want to help me at all. Else destroy this game object. Else. Destroy game object. So, would I want a turning speed? That's the question. Okay, I'll have a turning speed. Because before the turning speed was judged by the camera, but I'm going to change that a little bit, and you'll see what I do here. So let me delete this for a second. Add a float. Right. Speed, walking speed, running speed. Speed, another float. Public. Float. Turning speed. Okay. Add the float here. Horizontal. Sum 2 equals input dot get axis horizontal time turning speed times time dot delta time. Okay, and then I'm going to call the transform dot rotation. Rotation. Bracket. Circle. I mean 0, not circle. 0 horizontal. 0. Now do the same thing for vertical. Oh wait, I did have a turning speed. Could rotate speed. Rotate speed. Okay, let's just do this one now. That's my I'm pushing shift back so I don't get that. Vertical. To this one, I can next when I add crouching and stuff like that, I can write just put this in an if statement and just write if crouching is on, change speed from this to C speed. If running, like if I click shift, I can say oh times this by run speed or walk speed. I can write times. I can do them multipliers. And when you stop running or stop walking, you go slower. Or like add and take away basically. So yeah, I'll write if statements for that. Time delta time. Oh, that's why it's not working. Transform dot translate zero from vertical if input get key down. Sure. Transform dot translate equal vector dot jump height. Delta. Make sure everything is okay. Oh, this one. So first of all, let me turn off the camera. Where is the camera? I can't find the camera. Oh, there it is. Let me just turn off the script for a second and just see how I move. Unexpected. 944. What did I mess up? Did I mess up somewhere? I think I probably did. It says expected equals. Where did I mess up? Oh god damn it. I hate messing up, but I can't see it. So first one says 66. I can see the 66 one. Okay. Then it says 947. And then it says 944. If. Let me try to save this and see what happens. Error. Expected this. Oh. What are you talking about? Okay. Copies. Paste it again. Oh, it was fixed. It just wasn't telling me. The name input does not exist as a content. Oh, wait, what? It should exist. But as you know, it's easy to check this out. As you can see, this one says does not destroy an object, so wait, I'm moving way too slow. Let me just change that. Pick this to 10, pick this to 10, pick this to 10. Okay, now you see me moving better. 13. You see me 10. Can I jump? Yep, I couldn't jump. The jump's more like a teleport, which is kind of funny. I can jump multiple times. I'm going to edit that, so I'm going to write if jumping. You cannot jump or something like that. Okay, let's see if I can smash into this without breaking the camera. Okay, yeah, see? As you can see, the camera is broken. And I'm broken too. Because the Z-axis is not unlocked. So what you can do is just go to character. Let me just change this to 10, 10, and 10. And go into rigid bodies. Which one is it? Is Z. Wait, let me just check if it's right. It's one of these, I forget which one it is. Yeah, but I'll check that afterwards. But now I fixed the play movement. It runs better than before. I'll fix. What happened there is nothing to do with the script. It's something to do with when you hit another object, you're colliding with it. So sometimes they can rotate out of control. You just need to basically just fix it. So I made code not for this one, but a while back, and I'm literally just gonna copy and paste that code because, like I said, this is my code. It's not my code in particular, but it's something I learned from basically, and I copied it out, and it's so much more better. I forgot where I got this from. I think it was from was either from a YouTube video or a book, or maybe my teacher helped me back in university. But this, I like this code a lot. Let me just save it. And let me get back into the game. Let me delete the target. I don't need the target anymore. They're gonna see what's gonna happen. Target off. Main camera. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 15, 5, 15. You can. This is very editable camera, so you can edit it all from settings instead of me moving it around. After this, I'm gonna find out what is the good camera angle, and try to edit it all. Now I can fly. Alright, let me find out what this is. I keep on forgetting what it is that you need to freeze. Is it the y-axis? No, it's not. I think it's this. I think it's all of them, to tell you the truth. But let me just try y and see what happens when I open all of these. What's that? Oh, is this the one without a rigid body? Okay, wait, let me change the rotation speed to 50. That's ridiculous. Yeah, yeah. Okay, yeah, it's Y. So what you need to do is freeze the rotation on Y, so you don't just go flying away. Let me see if it's all of them. I think it is all of them. Let me just try this out. See? No, he doesn't fly. He just either pushes it out of the way or just goes through it. And there's some code to make this like not invincible, but like you can't push it. So now that that's sorted out, let me fix the camera. Let me see this thing. Oh, because I turned it off, I was wondering why it's not working. Let me turn this back on. It should be nicely. Okay. Oh, okay. A fun little glitch there. 5, 10, orbiting speed, there's the cube. Okay, 1. making me fly. It's saying my jump. Are we telling the player script first of all? Okay, yeah, it's the camera script that's making me bounce. So what's making me bounce camera? Okay. Let me just quickly sort this out. Okay, we're not bouncing. Okay, we are bouncing. Okay, I'll sort this out in the next video. For now, let me stop it.